In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix Klarna app login problem. So if you're having login problem in Klarna application, there might be various reasons behind it. The first reason might be the poor network. So make sure you're connected to a stable internet connection. After that, your problem should be solved. Also make sure the credentials that you provided are correct. Sometimes the problem might be because of the incorrect credentials. So make sure to check the credentials. If you have forgotten your credential, you can also recover it. After that, simply try entering the correct credentials and your problem should be solved. But if your problem is still not solved, what you can do is simply try updating the application. Launch open Play Store on your device. You can see over here Play Store has been opened. Tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on the search bar that you can see at top. Now what you have to do is search for Klarna. Now you'll be able to see the results over here. Find the application for Klarna and tap on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. In this interface, if you find the option for update, tap on it, wait for a while and your application will be updated. After that, you should be able to log into your account. But if you're facing the login problem, in that case, what you can do is simply try clearing the cache of the application. Launch open app library of your device, find the application for Klarna and long press on it. Tap on this option app info that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be led to the app info interface. What you have to do is tap on this option storage and cache. Now you'll be able to find two options over here, clear storage, clear cache. Tap on the option clear cache and the cache of this application will be cleared. Now your problem should be solved. If you're facing the login problem, what you can do is simply try uninstalling the application and install it again. After that, try logging into your account and your problem should be solved. But if your problem is still not solved, what you can do is simply try restarting your device. Sometimes there might be glitches on your device itself, so long press on the power button. After you do that, you'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on the option restart and your device will be restarted. After that, try logging into your account and your problem should be solved. So that is how you fix Klarna app login problem. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.